Hi, I'm Mike. This is Tracy. We come all the way up from Bristol to buy this exclusive Range Rover. Abdul gave us a good service. He's looked after us from day one. Never given me any pressure.
This video profiles the 2009 59 plate Range Rover 5-litre V8 Supercharged Autobiography, perfectly finished in Santorini black. At the front of this car you'll find Range Rover insignia, xenon signature headlights and front parking sensors. This car is running on 20-inch alloys and features side steps and privacy glass. The car has covered 79,000 miles and benefits from full service history. Towards the back of this car, you'll find rear parking sensors and a split tailgate. This car is fitted with an electric sliding sunroof. Inside this four-wheel drive, you'll find an electric heated multifunction steering wheel, keyless start and entry, satellite navigation, reversing camera, iPod USB and Bluetooth connections, climate control, as well as front and rear heated memory seats. The rear of this car is fitted with vanity mirrors, dual hybrid view TVs and a DVD player. This car is outfitted with jet and pimento leather. To book an appointment to come and visit this car or arrange a live video streaming, please call us on 0121 276 1000 or email sales@exclusivecarsgb.co.uk.